Hello, my name is Parker Neal, and I'm the North American Sales Manager for K Hartwell. We are the leading European supply chain and material handling logistics manufacturer. What a challenging time to be working in logistics. Prior to COVID-19, the labor shortages here in the U.S. were causing businesses to consider dramatically overhauling their operation and implement automation wherever possible. The global supply chain interruptions that we then saw due to the pandemic sped up that timeline for many businesses. One way companies are helping combat these issues is by implementing tugger train systems. Most importantly, the K Hartwell LiftLiner. Why would someone implement a tugger train system over forklift operations? I'm glad you asked. There are 4 main reasons why this is a better solution. First, health and safety. Forklifts are the leading cause of injuries within warehouse and assembly operations. There are over 20,000 serious injuries and 100 fatalities every year due to forklifts. It's estimated that each serious injury costs the company $48,000 and a fatality over $1 million. Forklifts are also a major bottleneck, causing congestion in busy areas of your operation. You can significantly reduce traffic and increase efficiency and safety with tugger train systems. 2, cost. Labor and CapEx costs associated with forklifts are high. You can deliver the same route capacity and load units with 1 tugger and 1 labor unit as you can with 6 forklifts and 6 operators. That also then helps you combat future labor shortages here in the U.S. Third, environmental impact. Forklifts are costly to the environment. If you're running gas-powered forklifts, for every 10 hours of use, you emit 120,000 pounds of carbon emissions. If you're utilizing electric versions, you can significantly reduce your energy consumption by charging 1 tugger versus 6 forklifts. Fourth, product and packaging damage. Your packaging is expensive, from the packaging itself down to the design engineering behind it. That packaging then carries your valuable goods either to the back room of stores or to the next part of your assembly operation. You can significantly reduce damage to that packaging by implementing tugger trains. One of the most efficient tugger trains on the market today is the K Hartwell LiftLiner. I will walk you through the main features and benefits of the LiftLiner and show you why it is truly setting the industry standard. I will first mention that our LiftLiner is an electric system. There are no hydraulics or pneumatics involved, which allow for easy servicing and maintenance. The LiftLiner draws all of its power from the battery of the tugger itself. To help minimize that power draw, we do not raise and lower the entire train. The LiftLiner works in pairs, so that specific pair will operate, but the pairs prior or after will not. I will engage the kick plate, and you'll see this middle pair start the movement, but the prior pair does not move. The LiftLiner is the shortest and most compact train available on the market today. A train of 3 pairs stands at about 31 feet long. That is due to the patented scissor coupling design, which allows for a really tight, compact system. The compact nature is due to this patented scissor coupling design, which allows for the train to maintain its short distance. It can turn into really narrow aisles as well as make really tight figure 8 turns. The LiftLiner is a mother-daughter tugger train concept with the ability to load and unload in both directions. To begin the programming, the operator would engage the blue kick plate, which the unit would then ergonomically tilt the load towards the operator. They would take that load unit to the production line, pick up an empty load unit, and roll it back on. At this point, the operator has 2 options to raise the train back up. You can either re-engage the blue kick plate, or you can simply step on the dead man's plate of the tugger itself. I'll walk around to the other side and unload in that direction, and then show you that operator's pad. Again, engaging the blue kick plate to begin the programming. The load is brought to your operator. They would then pick up an empty load unit, roll it back on. After reloading the cart, the operator can then simply walk to the tugger, step on the operator's pad, and the whole train would raise and take off. The LiftLiner has several built-in health and safety features helping to create a poke-yoke system. The first is with the blue kick plate. The operator cannot just tap it due to the fact that if you make a sharp turn and clip a corner, you don't want the load to come rolling. You have to very distinctly engage it to begin the programming. The load unit will then roll to you. The second safety feature is with the green indicator lights. When rolling the cart back on, if it is not properly locked, that light will flash green and red. As you can see, it's flashing, and it's a visual indicator for your operator to lock the load, and then it'll flash green. The third built-in safety feature is the tight, compact nature of the train. One concern with tuggers is operators always trying to walk through it and then the train taking off, leading to injury. Due to the tight nature of the train, operators visually will not see any space to even try to pass through. One nice feature of the LiftLiner is that it has the flexibility to accommodate various different styles of load units. Whether it's a plastic pallet with totes, a row pack bulk container, or some type of shelf wagon as shown behind me, our train has the ability to accommodate those all on the same route. Another nice feature is with the automotive market and some of the extended length packaging. Whether it's a 64x48 or larger, we have the ability to extend the tie rods and accommodate that packaging without losing train capacity. We will now demonstrate the LiftLiner and its maneuverability. Steve from our friends at Carolina Handling will take it for a spin.